everybody, Cheryl and Lady coming to you from the Lady's Garden and Home. And today I'm going to sow my lettuce seeds, and I'm going to do it two different ways for two different results. So I hope you join us. So I have a pretty nice lettuce seed collection here. I bought them as a pack from Rebel Gardens. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to plant some up in these little trays so I can have individual lettuce plants, a nice variety. Maybe it'll look really pretty in the garden. But then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take these blends that, this is a bistro blend mix, this is a gourmet blend, this is a bib blend. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of scatter cast them in this container, and I'm going to grow them up as microgreens, which are apparently very healthy for you. And then I'm going to dedicate one more tray, for now, into the 6-cell tray for nothing but romaine, because that's my favorite to make salads with. Now this is my first sowing of the year, but I do plan on succession growing these. So in other words, I'll start some out here in March, and then in April, I'll start another tray. And then in May, I'll start another tray till we get to the really heat of the summer where they don't really do very well and bolt very quickly. But then I'll wait, and then again, towards the end of August, September, I can start planting them again. So hopefully have a good amount of lettuce and a good amount of salad throughout the year. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill these trays. So I showed you how to do this in another video, and if you'd like to see it, I'm going to post it in the description below. So using my marker as a little dibber, I'm going to sow 2 seeds in each cell and 2 cells per type of lettuce. This is speckles. Lettuce seeds are pretty small, and they also need light to germinate. So I'm going to just lay them on top of the soil. I may actually prick them out if they start growing up too close together, although I'm hoping to get these out in the garden by the end of March. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently with my finger press down to make sure that they're making contact with the soil. So although they need light to germinate, they also need to be watered in, which I use a spray bottle for. But you want to startle the seeds awake a little bit with a good, refreshing splash of water. And then what I'm going to do is very lightly sprinkle some cinnamon. This is Ceylon cinnamon, and I use this to help prevent fungus gnats. And I only want to lightly sprinkle it because I want light to get in. And this is ready to go onto my tea cart by my window. Now for my microgreens, I'm going to just put a couple in my hand, like that. You see how some seeds are black and some seeds are lighter? It's because it's different kinds of lettuce seeds. I've never grown microgreens before, but I think I understand the concept. All microgreens are basically seedlings that you eat, instead of waiting for them to go to maturity. Actually, I think that's probably enough. And for this one, instead of a plastic bag, I'm just going to use the lid of the container as a humidity dome. So I'm going to go ahead and sew the rest of the romaine in. Okay, I'll let you in. Just don't bark. So I hope you enjoyed this. I said you have to be quiet. So that was easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I also hope that you subscribe so you can follow me and watch the progression of the microgreens, the lettuces, the romaine. And if you did like this video, please hit the like button. And from the Ladies Garden and Home, wishing you a very happy gardening journey. Bye. Say goodbye, lady. Lady, want a cookie? Come on. Say goodbye. Oh, they can't see you. Come over here. Nope, still can't see you. Lady, say goodbye. Bye.